What up, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. We back on another one the way I see it. I want to do a couple of these words, or with a couple different artists, Jamaican, uh, Jamaican trap dancehall. I think is what they go by. Like as far as the genre, I think that's what it's called. But I wanted to do a couple of them that I already been listening to I don't know. I guess get some suggestions or ideas of what me being from the States and from America, what I kind of gravitated towards. So I guess kind of fit the sound that I'm already used to, but still had something completely new, but still like maybe I could even understand a little bit more. But yeah, I just want to throw some of those out there for y'all. So this one right here is Cash Promise Move. I don't know if he just go by Cash or if he go by Cash Promise Move or KPM or something. But it's called Bandulu, and this shit is hard, man. I'm not gonna lie. So we gonna get into it. I'm gonna let y'all listen to it, but this shit hard, man. And I might stop a couple times so I can, cause it's a couple things in here that I want to know if anybody knows what they mean. Like, let me know what it means. That way I can get a better understanding of the slang, and the lingo type shit. So we gonna get into it.
You again. Boy, what is wrong with you? Stay over someone. One move. Promise, move. Yes, so the fuck is that? Them a chat bout polo and broke. Tall fuck on no. Some real top chopper and buck on no. Regular me sleep on the line at a W. Cashy and full of gyal at a trouble. Yeah, gyal give me the pussy if I'ma fuck it up. You call her sorry she the youth enough for no. Set the place pan fire, yeah we a got on it up. From your trouble, promise, move then you head the bus lick the fall. You no know shit about chopping. Somebody take colors and chopping. Now get the pussy all in no office back in. My money sting just like all my gun just sting. Yeah man, every girl love criminal. Be a girl a while up when them say they done. Chop a gun a roll and I'm not cinnamon. And if you not like this, you know have to sing my song. Yeah man, we love Bandulu. If you not like me, gun yam dodo. Curl up under your mama like noodle. Yeah man, yeah we love Bandulu. And we are in the place I want to do. Have couple bands, but I want waste man no. Dad, mom, we take your money and laugh and I'm not joke. Top chopper, something was in the dark coat. Sick in a way, just like the scoop. I naturally and I when me a smoke. Don't fuck with the duffel and some cope. My will cock a skull now a some coal. Pull up in nightclub, me and my dog, them a roll. Don't make them on the rain, on the strip up on the pole. To me, poverty a crime, I eat more full of passion. Get how you just make the move, get the phone and start with chop. Get the cash for stock, when on a flop a flop. Make it shake while I bend over, baby, make your ass clap. Business, one bag of chopper, yeah, rich kids. We life off sweet like rich bits. Yeah, we out and a go on, but all our advice, them all the witness. Yeah, man, we love Bandulu. If you not like me, gun yam dodo. Curl up under your mama like noodle. Yeah, man, yeah, we love Bandulu. And we are on the place I want to do. Have couple binds, but I want waste, but no. Broke, all fuck on no. Some real top chopper and buck on no. Regular me sleep on the line at a W. Cashy and full of gyal at a trouble. Yeah, gyal give me the pussy if I'ma fuck it up. You call her sorry she the youth enough for no. Set the place pan fire, yeah we a got on it up. From your trouble, promise, move then you head the bus lick the fall. You no know shit about chopping. Somebody take colors and chopping. Now get the pussy all in no office back in. My money sting just like all my gun just sting. Yeah man, every girl love criminal. Be a girl a while up when them say they done. Chop a gun a roll and I'm not cinnamon. And if you not like this, then I have to sing my song. Yeah man, we love Bandulu. If you not like me, gun yam dodo. Curl up under your mama like noodle. Yeah man, yeah we love Bandulu. And we are in the place I want to know. Have couple bands, but I want waste, but no. Yeah, that's so nice, bro. The fuck wrong with you, man? Yeah, boy. Vibe. Yo, play back his song again, buddy.
All right, so I just let the whole thing play. That shit was hard. Uh, I think I know Bandulu. I think it's just like I don't want to say scamming per se, but I mean like probably just getting money on some shit that's not on some unscrupulous activity. you know, I'm not 100% sure, but uh Bandulu, yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I said, I'm trying to learn the slang, you know what I'm saying? So I'm picking it up, like how they putting it together, like what they, what they mixing it with, how they saying it, like, saying I love Bandulu, like, you feel me? Like, I don't know, that sound like I love getting money off the streets. I don't know, y'all let me know though. But yeah, that's Cash Promise move, man. That shit is hard. I've been knocking that shit, I'm not gonna lie. Uh, but yeah, that's one of my picks from the trap dancehall. So y'all go give it a listen, man. I'll check y'all on the next one for surely.